Good evening, my friends. Today we have with me here an old watch of mine. It's another Seiko with original dial and original watch hands. But this is another watch which I would have loved to change the watch hands earlier, and therefore I've got myself a new set of watch hands. Right now, with me here on the right, those are the new watch hands. First, let's remove the watch strap. Next, let's remove the back cover using the tools. Let's dust it off with the duster or the blower. Put it aside. Have the crown and the stem removed. And we can now remove the movement and have it separated from the watch case. Next, it's time to remove the watch hands. Of course, don't forget to put a layer of plastic just to separate it and to prevent the watch hands from jumping off. Because trust me, once they jump off from the dial, you may have a hard time locating them because they are so fine. So let's keep it and store it away. Reattach the watch stem and onto the watch movement holder. Lock it on, and we can now move on to the next, which is installing the hour hand. But of course, let's find the midnight position first. Midnight position is where all the watch hands, our minute and the second hand meets the new day. On with the hour hand. That's the first watch hands to go in. Choose the right prong and push the watch hand into the movement. Right, check it, make sure it's pointing straight to the trough, and the gap between the hand and the dial is evenly spaced. Let's go now with the minute hand. Push it in. Let's give it a check. Alright, happy with that. The last watch hand going will be the second hand. That's the most challenging one, which most of the time everyone will encounter some issues with this. With some practice, you will be an expert. Okay, success. Let's check. All right. Okay, have it removed from the movement holder. That's it. And we will then move on to casing in the movement into the watch case. But before that, of course, you will need to remove the watch stem and the crown. Always practice dusting off or blowing off any dust from the surface of the dial and also the inner part of the watch case. So when you have your watch on your wrist, you don't see specks of dust inside, and it may hamper the experience. Now let's check how accurately the date changes as the time ticks away. 58, it's going to 58, 59, approaching 12 a.m. 11:59 and 35. Yeah, almost hitting 12 a.m. Wow, this is by far the best. The best for me. The best I have ever done. Okay, this is the rotor whereby it spins on the spindle. This will mean is an automatic movement, but this is an old movement. 7S26. They have since moved on to NH35. 36, yeah, NH36. Okay, let's lock on the back cover. The tighter it goes, the more water resistant it is. Okay, it's locked, but not too tight until it spoils the grooves. Okay, nice case and dial and watch hands. Now it's time to see which one will. Okay, this way. Let's strap it on. Alright, let's try it. It's securely fastened. Okay, now I want to try it on my hand, on my wrist. Feels so good. Off with the old hands. In come the new watch hands. Looks so refreshing now.
See the difference between the old and the new hand. The new second hand has got a tinge of red, and the old hand is a see-through type. Gives you a very modern look, and we're loving it. You guys still remember the other watch that I have, which I recently changed the watch hands as well? Look at them, different dial, different hands. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Your support is much appreciated. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video of mine very soon. There'll be a new watch coming up. I'll see you again. Bye.